John.
Hi.
We wanted to see how you're doing. So I wanted to look at your hair to see what progress you've made. Remind me, how far out are we?
7 months.
7 months.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Have you had any problems in the 7 months?
Not at all.
Okay. So you have actually a lot of growth already. Believe it or not, you're going to have more.
That's surprising.
Yes, I promise you. We'll take some photographs to document everything, but the actual hair growth usually starts around 4 to 6 months. It starts. There's still some hairs that are in a dormant phase that are going to come out, and the hairs that you're seeing right now, they're still vellus, so they're fine. As they regrow, because they were in a dormant phase, some of them shed out, but as they continue to grow, they're going to get thicker. So initially they're going to be kind of fine baby hairs, and eventually they'll get back to their original thickness from where we got them. So what we see now is going to get thicker, but there's also a lot of hairs that still haven't grown out yet. So this is actually really great progress that you're making, but I think it has to do a lot with number one, your age. You're a young guy. You're very fit and trim, so that has to do a lot with it, compared to someone who doesn't always eat very well, or maybe smokes and drinks alcohol. All those things kind of work against us, but you're just such a fit, trim guy that everything is working positive for us. So this is going to get thicker. Here on this side, this is also going to fill in as well. I remember that we put a lot of grafts in there, trying to make both temporal triangles fill in nicely. So we're all asymmetrical, two halves forming one. This side looks stellar. This side is going to catch up eventually. So full results, we don't drop the gavel until 1 year. So I'm excited.
All right. So far,
Keep doing what you're doing.
Yeah.
Are you doing vitamins or anything to kind of?
I take Nutrafol.
Great. Nutrafol is like Miracle Grow for flowers, plants. It works the same for hair. The Nutrafol basically helps to feed your hair. So if you're wanting to do something to kind of accelerate everything, you're already doing it. So keep doing, taking your vitamins.
Thanks.
You're welcome.